Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create alternating colors lines in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my Excel spreadsheet. Now I can create alternating colors lines on this sheet. At first, you have to select a cell on your mouse, then select this full row, then go to borders menu, then click this bottom border. Now right click on this selected row, then go to format cells menu. Now change this border style. Now I can choose also a color, then click it, then press OK. Now you can see I create alternating colors lines in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.